So initially by gold, we had this trade by the 15-minute where we looked for a sell, the sell towards this 1 hour demand. Then we anticipated price to move up, which it did, right? So by the 4 hour, we created this swing low down here and this swing high, and we had left this large order flow before we moved towards the upside. So right now by gold, my idea is to look for confirmation entry, place a buy limit, and aim for this swing high. So by gold, we're looking for buys. Then by euro USD, initially we were consolidating within this range, right? So around Monday we were consolidating from this range before price broke above this high, then pushed lower. So initially I was looking for buys, right, towards this supply area by the 1 hour. So I was looking for buys towards the supply area by the 1 hour, but price respected the daily order flow. So the last two candles here, so these candles, right? So these last two candles before we pushed lower, price respected these before pushing lower towards the downside. So initially I hadn't seen that reaction. So once I saw this, I immediately left the trade idea, waiting for price to pull back, but we continued moving towards the low. So the idea I missed at that time was we could have taken this sell towards the downside with a stop above this doji here, this fractal high, right? Could have waited for price to respect this doji and then push towards this low, aiming for a minimum of 3, right? 1 to 3. So this was a missed idea by EURUSD, but this week I will be looking for price to retest towards this order flow here, right? I'm looking for price to retrace towards this order flow, then immediate push towards the downside. So something like this for me to take this sell trade towards the swing low. Then by GBPCHF, we were looking for a retracement towards this high, right? Because price was consolidating within these ranges here from this low towards this high. So once we got that broke, we waited for price to retest towards our order flow, which was set up initially throughout the week. Then we waited for price to break above this tiny fractal high, which it gave us this swing, this week, then immediately pulled back within the range. So this is a form of liquidity sweep. So right now I'm waiting for price to move towards the upside, then a retest towards this range to take price towards the supply area. So once I get that reaction, I will be looking for a buy limit from this range towards the supply by this currency pair.